In this question, we have a TDM system, and we have n signals. So n here isn't the number of bits, it's the number of channels. And we're given the bandwidth of each channel, 5 Hertz. We're told how many levels the quantizer has. And we're told that the channel can only support 400 bits per second. So how many users can we put onto that channel? So in this little animation here, we have 5 users, A, B, C, D, E. How many users could we have on a channel that can support 400 bits per second? So we'll start with the digitizer. So the sampler will be operating at least at the Nyquist rate, which is 2 times 5, which is 10 Hertz. The number of bits, I'm not going to use n because n is reserved for the number of signals. Let's call it k. That's just log of 16 to the base 2. That gives you 4.
Done.
So the channel can support up to 400 bits per second. So n times k times fs is less than or equal 400. So n will be less than or equal 10. So we can support up to 10 users. Up to 10 users can use the channel. Okay, so that's for part A. Part B says that we don't have 10 users, we only have 4 users. So if we don't change anything, we would be using 4 times 4 times 10, which is 160 bits per second, which is much less than your 400 bits per second. So we can use the extra capacity, that's the difference between this and this, we can use that by increasing the number of levels. We don't have to stick to 16 levels. So we have n times k times fs is less than or equal 400. So it says, assuming that we're not changing the sample rate. The sample rate remains 10 Hertz. What are we changing? We're changing n, the number of users. We're changing that to 4. What are we finding? We're trying to find k, the number of bits. From that, we'll find the number of levels. So if you solve for k will be less than or equal to 10. So we can support up to 10 bits. So 10 bits means L is 2 to the power k, 2 to the power 10, 1024 levels. So by reducing the number of users from 10 to 4, we've managed to increase the sensitivity considerably from 16 levels to 1024 levels. That means a lower quantization error. What we could have done was oversampled. We could have increased the sample rate a little bit and reduced that slightly. But the question says, assuming that we're critically sampling. So that is your final answer, 1024.